Hey Charlie, it's Jigsaw. Listen, they finally have to go to the bathroom, okay? Hold on, my light. They finally got to go to the bathroom and shit. So, what you do, wait till he has to go to the bathroom. Take her on, take the key, and then knock on the door. And he's going to say, "Who is it?" And just don't say nothing. He's going to think it's her. And then the first thing you do is drive the car off the road and then hike it the way through, like a hitchhiker, right? See if a truck driver will pull you up. Anyway, I'll send you some good luck pictures, okay? Okay. And my teeth, I've been smoking, so you puff, puff, and smoke.